Fix selfie issues on Just Eat for drivers. Hello and welcome to this tutorial. If you're a Just Eat driver, you know how annoying it is when the app keeps asking for selfies, sometimes multiple times a day. It's not just frustrating, it can also be unsafe while driving. Here are 3 simple tricks to fix selfie issues. Before starting, make sure you sign into your Just Eat account. Solution number 1. To fix selfie issues, open your mobile data or Wi-Fi settings and turn off the internet. Go back to the Just Eat app and tap Continue, like in the example image. Then, turn your internet back on. Now you can continue working without selfie problems. Solution number 2. Open the Just Eat app. Close the app completely from your screen. Reopen the Just Eat app and try again. Repeat this process 3 times in a row. This simple restart method often helps refresh your session and fix selfie verification problems. Solution number 3. Manage your orders correctly to avoid selfie requests again. Always accept or decline orders on time. If you leave an order pending, the app may ask for a selfie. As you can see here, I left the order pending. I didn't accept or decline it, and that's why the selfie screen popped up. Now I want to manage the order properly so the app does not ask for a selfie. As you can see in the image, I decline an order before the timer ends. After that, the app doesn't ask for a selfie anymore. Attention! These 3 solutions are provided to help you, especially if you are driving or don't have a proper place to take selfies in the app. However, not taking selfies consistently may affect your account and could lead to it being deactivated by Just Eat. Whenever possible, it's best to take selfies as required to keep your account active. If this tip helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your fellow Just Eat drivers. Thanks for watching till the end.